Want to speak English confidently? Speak. Learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
This is an apple. Yummy. This is a banana. So sweet. This is an orange. I like it. These are strawberries. Delicious. This is a watermelon. So juicy. This is a carrot. Good for you. This is a tomato. Fresh and red. This is a potato. I will cook it. This is an onion. It smells strong. This is a cucumber. Cool and fresh. This is a lemon. Very sour. This is a pepper. A little spicy. This is a pineapple. Sweet and tasty. This is a mango. My favorite. This is a pear. Soft and sweet. This is a peach. Smells so good. This is an eggplant. Purple and shiny. This is corn. I love corn. These are green grapes. Sweet and small. This is a coconut. Hard outside. These are cherries. Small and red. This is a kiwi. Green inside. This is a cabbage. Big and round. This is spinach. Very healthy. This is a pumpkin. Big and orange. These are peas. Small and round. I love vegetables. So healthy. This is an avocado. Soft and creamy. This is garlic. Strong smell. This is mint. Smells fresh. This is a lime. Very sour too. These are plums. Sweet and soft. This is celery. Crunchy and green. These are figs. Sweet and soft. This is a sweet potato. I will bake it. These are mushrooms. Good in soup. I love fresh fruits. So tasty. This is a green pepper. Crunchy and fresh. These are green beans. Long and thin. These are blueberries. Small and sweet. This is a raspberry. Soft and red. These are walnuts. Crunchy and good. These are almonds. Healthy snack. This is parsley. Smells nice. This is asparagus. Thin and green. These are olives. A little salty. I love healthy food. Yes, me too. I buy apples here. Fresh and red. I choose bananas. Yellow and ripe. I pick tomatoes. From my garden. I buy carrots. Orange and fresh. This is lettuce. Green and crisp. I cut the apple into small pieces. I make a fruit salad. So colorful. I make a salad. Healthy and fresh. I drink orange juice. Sweet and cold. I put fruits in the fridge to keep fresh. I slice the cucumber. Thin and fresh. I peel the potato. Carefully and slow. I boil the vegetables. It smells good. I chop the onion. My eyes water. I roast the pumpkin. Sweet and warm. I make a smoothie. So refreshing. I pack my lunch. Healthy and easy. I eat an apple. Crunchy and sweet. Do you want some fruit? Yes, please. I water my plants. They grow well. I pick strawberries. Red and sweet. I weigh the vegetables. Just 1 kilo. I buy some fruit. Thank you. I arrange the fruits. They look nice. I bake a vegetable pie. It smells great. I slice the watermelon. So juicy. I mash the potatoes. Soft and smooth. I grill the vegetables. Tasty and warm. I decorate the cake. With fresh fruit. I taste the soup. Yummy and warm. I juice the oranges. Fresh and sweet. I dry fresh herbs. For later use. I store the vegetables. To keep them fresh. I make fruit jam. Sweet and sticky. I freeze the fruits. For the winter. I steam the vegetables. Soft and healthy. I pack for a picnic. Fruits and veggies. This is a fruit. Now you say it. I sort them by color. Red, green, yellow. I love fruits and vegetables. Healthy and happy. This is basil. Smells so fresh. This is a turnip. White and round. These are dates. Sweet and chewy. This is a papaya. Soft and orange. This is a chili. Very spicy. This is a leek. Long and green. These are raisins. Small and sweet. This is ginger. Strong and spicy. Dinner is ready. Let's eat together. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time.